Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to add location to TikTok video. So TikTok just released this new feature. Now you can basically add location to your TikTok videos. So before starting the video I want you guys to watch this video until the very end and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks, and also like this video as well. So first of all, you need to open up TikTok on your Android and iOS devices, but before, make sure that your TikTok application is up to date. If you are on Android, just go to the Play Store and update your TikTok application, and if you are on iOS, just go to the App Store and update your TikTok application. Then open up the TikTok application, and once you open up the TikTok application, what you will do here, I will basically select a draft here. Okay, so if you want, you can upload a new video from here. Just tap on this plus icon and choose video or record video. But I will go into my profile here, and I will just choose the drafts here, and I will choose this video here, like this one, and then I will tap on next here. And now here you can see this option. Okay, we have this location option. Okay, so if your location is turned on, it will automatically gets your location and it tells you some suggestions. But if you want to add a custom location, just tap on this option, and now you can search for locations. Okay, so let's suppose if I wanted to add here like New York, so I will just add New York as well. Okay, so that's how to add location. And if you don't see this location option, then maybe your application is not up to date. So make sure that your application is up to date. Okay, so guys, if you find this tutorial helpful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.